Welcome to the show that you love. Welcome to IPL Auction Strategies, where we discuss the strategies about your favorite team going into that IPL auction. And the team that we have on radar today are the Delhi Capitals.
दिल्ली
Delhi Capitals.
हम
भाई,
दिल्ली में बैठे हैं मेरे
दिल्ली में
दोस्त।
बैठे बात कर रहे हैं। आपके इंडिया की कैपिटल है, उसी से कैपिटल्स रख लिया इन्होंने।
पता नहीं वो नाम तो काफी
बट
weird है
कभी
बट
कैपिटलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे अपने आईपीएल के कैंपेन्स पे। There was that one season where Shreyas Iyer led them to that final, but couldn't go all the way. They have another opportunity now to put forward a formidable squad so that they can again try and contest in the IPL for that trophy.
okay, so let's not waste more time and talk about the retentions first. Retention wise,
4 लोगों को रिटेन करा है।
हाँ,
उनमें हैं आपके अक्षर पटेल, you have
Expected.
कुलदीप यादव, you have Tristan Stubbs, and you have Abhishek Porel in there. They have 2 right to match cards left. ऋषभ पंत नहीं है यहाँ पे, हम सबको पता है, and they are going into the auction with 76.25 crores in their kitty.
not bad.
Not
Good
bad
enough
at all,
money,
given
good
the
enough
fact
money.
that that's the third largest purse amongst all 10 teams. I think that's good amount that they have going into that
No, also
auction. But
in terms of retention, you expected Kuldeep Yadav, Akshar Patel, so their spin department is anyway sorted.
yeah,
Okay, you look at Tristan Stubbs, the kind of season he had for them, amazing. An average of 54 and a strike rate, I think, in excess of 190. भाई भगवान मतलब कुछ मांग लेते तो ऐसा ऐसा वाला प्लेयर मिला था उन्हें।
इसने वेस्ट कर दिया।
मतलब
ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स ने वेस्ट करा। अगर भगवान से मांग के ये हुआ है तो इससे कुछ भी मांग लेता।
मतलब ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स लाइक दिस इज द क्रीम ऑफ द क्रीम ना। टी20 बैटर में क्या दोगे आप? स्ट्राइक रेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो 190 है, अमेजिंग, एंड देन एवरेज ऑफ 50 अबव इज जस्ट लाइक आप कह रहे हो भाई भगवान प्लेयर खेल रहा है यार।
And he was also striking well at a time when
Others were struggling.
international stars from Delhi Capitals, maybe David Warner or Mitchell
Mitchell
Marsh.
Marsh.
And yes, to an extent, Shea Hope as well, because
Shea
he was
Hope-
also batting in the middle.
Shea Hope some but
Yeah, but
the
his
problem
strike
is-
rate was not very impressive.
No, his strike rate was okay. I'm saying he got limited opportunities. Also, not every game he was playing. एक game खिलाते हो, 2 game हटाते हो, एक game that also does not do a lot of good for the confidence of the
And
player.
on top of it,
But
you
Jake Fraser
remember,
McGurk, when he came in, he was really good.
he was really good. Yeah, that's why they had to replace him with David Warner with Jake Fraser Megak, right?
But
At the top.
Tristan Stubbs again retention. I think not to forget this guy can bowl also a bit. A
Yeah.
third spin option.
He's
Uh,
such a good option in the middle.
He
So
was very
that's why
good.
they realized it. और अगर एक ऑक्शन में आता,
Well, losses.
आरसी भी ले जाता,
I'm saying
आरसी भी लेके जाता।
even the losses DC had, the margins of losses would have been far bigger if not for Tristan Stubbs, because वो अकेला मार रहा होता था एक एंड से, बाकी जगह विकेट गिर रहे होते थे।
Right.
So-
And also, if you remember, DC actually didn't have many middle order batters whom they could rely on apart from Rishabh Pant.
They could not even rely on their openers, yaar.
Right. So suddenly we always had that situation where Akshar Patel was batting up the order and trying to bail them out of
Akshar
difficult
Patel has
situations.
been a revelation with the bat in the
उनपे
past two
प्रेशर बहुत आ
seasons.
रहा था इससे।
But let's face it, yaar, I still feel you need better batters. Akshar Patel can't be your top batting pick, right? Yes, I agree. His batting has improved manyfold. Very good batter, has bailed DC out a number of times. Has the capability of hitting those big shots, sixes, fours, and everything. But you need top order batters also, right? Which was completely like Prithvi Shaw hasn't been up to the mark in the last couple of seasons for them. So भाई दिक्कत है।
Unsold players की बातें नहीं करें यहाँ।
Unsold, I still think Prithvi Shaw will fetch some team, like will fetch a prize. And this season when people are not expecting him to do well, कि भाई क्या
You
किया
were
है,
expecting
Firoz
him to do
Sharma.
well last season. I never expect him to
No,
do well.
no, I'm saying this season I am expecting him to do
Oh,
well.
you actually said that Mumbai Indians might go after him.
I'm
और फिर
saying
हम
why
एक
not?
heavyweight championship देखते where Prithvi Shaw and Rohit Sharma opened for Mumbai Indians.
I don't even want to comment on it because a lot of people have different connotations to it. But okay, Prithvi Shaw not
अच्छा,
good enough.
we have
Last.
actually talked about their batters, but what about the bowling? That
Bowling-
was also very poor. And let me tell you this: top 10 wicket takers में एक भी DC का नहीं था पिछली बार.
Bhaiya, who did they retain last time? Henrik Nokia.
Oh my
Henrik
God,
Nokia they retained
disaster.
last year.
50 रन तो ऐसे दे रहा था वो.
He was getting smashed. He was taking a few wickets, but he was getting smashed left, right, center, outside the ground, wherever you want. Henrik Nokia had a terrible season.
Yeah.
He might. That's what वो मतलब ऐसा था कि विकेट भी ले लो 3, इकोनॉमी भी हो 15. So that is what was happening for them, and it did not work out. I think Mukesh Kumar's injury did not. Mukesh Kumar had injury trouble also in the middle.
Yeah,
I think that did not help them because I thought he was their best bowler,
he was the highest wicket taker.
highest wicket taker, even though he did not play all the games. Ishant Sharma was also like
He was decent. Ishant Sharma was decent.
Okay, you get Kuldeep was also good for them. Like
Akshar Patel, Kuldeep others, but I meant fast bowlers.
but fast bowlers. So bhai, I think
Khalil Ahmed got tonked.
Khalil Ahmed, Khalil Ahmed. I've always seen him take a few wickets every now and then.
Yeah, but
One wicket-
ग्राफ एकदम नीचे जाता है.
One
Crash.
wicket in the power play, okay, 2 wickets in the power play, but then कुछ हो जाता है भाई. मतलब फिर मतलब ऐसा होता है कि सामने वाले को लगता है भाई कि ये तो हिट मी बॉल डाल रहा है बस.
Hit कर जाता है.
And he gets smashed, boss. His economy also, if he is bowling at the death, which I think should never be a choice with Khalil Ahmed. Sorry guys, but Khalil को करानी है bowling, पावर प्ले में 4 ओवर खत्म करा दो भाई. ठीक है, पावर प्ले में 3 होते हैं, मतलब एक और बाद में भी करा दो. 4 ओवर्स 8 ओवर में वो पहले उसके
करा दो. इसकी bowling
या 3 कराओ and खत्म कराओ. Okay, because even though he was part of that Indian squad also, I still think he's not one of those very dependable figures when it comes to death bowling. And
He's
DC tried him like so many times at the death. So
come on यार, DC is that team जो नोकिया को रिटेन करते रबाडा छोड़ दिया था इन्होंने यार. तो
हाँ.
उनको छोड़ो आप.
रबाडा तो छोड़ दिया था, बट रबाडा खैर पंजाब में लिया था, उनको भी कुछ ऐसा फायदा नहीं हुआ था.
But then you still associate him as a
But Rabada is a world class bowler undoubtedly.
Indian pitches पे, IPL pitches पे ठीक है. You can't
Also,
actually.
let's not forget Rabada, barring 1 or 2 seasons, most of the times he's been among the top wicket takers
True.
every IPL. Every IPL. Even when he was bowling for Delhi, he was really good.
True.
So Rabada retained नहीं हुआ.
Now, since we have talked about their weakness, which I think most of the seasons we do talk about that, as far as Delhi Capitals are
Sorry,
concerned.
guys.
I'm very sorry if there are any DC fans out there.
No, but you would agree that they have, like, despite the kind of players they've had, it has never been a great season where you are like, कि भाई, except that one where they reached the final. Even
भाई मेरा बात है, since you're talking about the final as well, यहाँ पे bowlers की बात हो गई है, पहले कैप्टन सोच ले.
कैप्टन यार, एक पुराने कैप्टन को लें.
श्रेयस अय्यर को लाएंगे. श्रेयस अय्यर आजा.
श्रेयस अय्यर के तो हाथ धो के बहुत लोग पीछे पड़े होंगे.
हाथ धोके नहीं पीछे, गंदे हाथों से पड़े हुए लोग.
ये बहुत गंदा जोक था, बट ठीक है. मतलब ये आप समझिए कि श्रेयस अय्यर.
देखो, now
Look at the teams. Look at the teams.
let's quickly tell the scenario here.
Okay.
KKR वापस जा नहीं सकता. पंजाब इज गनिंग फॉर ऋषभ पंत. केएल राहुल को आरसीबी लेना चाहती है.
व्हाट इफ पंजाब ऋषभ पंत नहीं मिला तो दे विल गो फॉर श्रेयस.
अब those are auction dynamics जो हम अभी नहीं contemplate कर सकते.
But I'm saying Punjab
on
choice
papers
है.
before that auction.
मतलब LSG I don't think, because Nicholas Puran will be the captain most probably. अय्यर कैप्टन्स की कहाँ का जरूरत है? पंजाब, DC, KKR, but KKR जाएगा नहीं. So I believe it'll be one of these two teams. मतलब RCB को भी जरूरत है वैसे तो. RCB?
Not actually, are not happening. RCB, when they have made it clear that they are going for KL Rahul.
But KL Rahul as captain होगा नहीं होगा? क्या पता कोहली को दोबारा कैप्टन बना दे.
इतने ज्यादा पैसे कितने प्लेयर्स पे लगा देंगे ना वो.
No, I agree. But you look at Shreyas Iyer, I think Punjab and Delhi best chance of signing him. So Delhi could look at him again.
Absolutely, I agree.
मतलब दिल्ली वापसी हो जाएगी श्रेयस अय्यर की.
अब भाई लेकर गया फाइनल तक आपको.
ले गया फाइनल तक, and he is a decent batter also. Let's not forget that guy might not have scored as many runs that people expected of him last season, but great captain.
Yeah.
But he can bat well also and score big runs. Delhi pitch with the ground, a small ground might, like Eden Gardens is also a small ground.
The spinners.
He loves playing against spinners. I think Delhi to matlab can go for him.
Absolutely.
So one choice, Shreyas Iyer definitely.
And would you say that now see?
What about another KKR guy who's
my
from
point-
Delhi?
my
Who's
point-
from Delhi? Who's
Nitish
from
Rana you're talking
Nitish
about.
Rana.
I knew that Nitish Rana.
What about
But
Nitish
Nitish Rana is anyway not playing for Delhi now because domestic
Yeah.
market doesn't shift.
Who's from? I'm saying who's from Delhi.
Who's
Yeah,
from Delhi,
yeah.
right? Nitish Rana actually a very good choice, but then फिर KKR कैसे कैप्टन बनाएगा?
KKR को तो भैया पता नहीं.
KKR को भी तो कैप्टन चाहिए. अभी श्रेयस अय्यर भी ले लेंगे, नितिश राणा भी ले
But if
लेंगे.
they wanted Nitish Rana as captain, they should have retained him. Don't you think?
Not actually. उनको पैसा भी तो चाहिए ना. And Nitish Rana anyway didn't play anything ना. Now what
Yeah, he
I
was
think what
injured for
KKR
most part
might
of
be
last
thinking
season.
now, they want to leave it at the auction dynamics. They'll probably try and go for a KL Rahul as well. They'll probably try their hand at some other player as well. But if they fail, which with the probability of that happening is very high, because let's be honest, just over 50 crores in the bag for KKR.
So captain, yes.
So they'll probably have to go ahead with someone like a Nitish Rana.
Okay.
So Nitish Rana का प्राइस अगर ऊपर जा रहा होगा तो DC I think would.
हाँ, मेरे को लगा हम KKR हो जाएगा DC में भी.
No, so since it's
Yeah.
a DC connect, that's
but okay, DC wise,
no,
Shreyas Iyer I think is still a good captain.
still a good choice. Now my point is,
RTM बताओ.
they have a
RTM.
situation here now. RTM पर ही आ रहा हूँ मैं. They have a situation here now. RTM इनके पास पड़े हैं दो. Jake Fraser-McGurk, who did exceptionally well for Delhi Capitals, but then is having a horrible time in international cricket. But then he'll again get those Indian wickets. He'll again have a chance to play some domestic bowlers on that small Firozshah Kotla ground. Would you use your RTM for him?
What are the other options? You give me other options, then I will say who I will use two RTMs on. You will also.
Sharma, there's Mukesh Kumar.
I think Mukesh Kumar could be one RTM.
He can be.
Mukesh Kumar, has done well. He can bowl at the death. I think he is a smart bowler who thinks where to bowl.
विराट कोहली काउंट करा भाई ने.
हाँ, तो आप सोच सकते हो. I think Mukesh Kumar, one RTM for him. I think Jake Fraser-McGurk will be another RTM because they need batters up the order.
What Mitchell Marsh? Letting go of him.
यार Mitchell Marsh.
Warner का तो इक्वेशन नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ.
नहीं, not Warner. Hardly playing cricket these days. David Warner. Like top level cricket, extreme. मतलब वैसे तो कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता है उनका भी. But even Mitchell Marsh, injury prone यार. I like Mitchell Marsh.
Yeah.
The kind of innings he can play, I've seen him smash.
And a good bowler as well.
Smash bowlers all over in the BBL. Perth Scorchers के लिए Mitchell Marsh amazing.
टेस्ट भी ऐसे ही खेलता है वो.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए Mitchell Marsh amazing. IPL में Mitchell Marsh injury. तो वही वाली चीज है कि again last season you remember he went back home and then had to prepare for the T20 World Cup, so stayed back home only.
Yeah.
So
अब नहीं आ रहा.
He did not come back. So वही है कि Mitchell Marsh also I would use my RTM for. Also Jake Fraser-McGurk is young. I think why not get a guy who you could, if by the way we don't know next mega auction next 3 years or 5 years, it could be 5 years also. So Jake Fraser-McGurk can be a better choice. Use करना है तो उस पे कर लो. Jake Fraser-McGurk and Mukesh Kumar are my RTM picks.
So Ishant Sharma, I think they should try and get back Ishant Sharma as well. It may not happen because of the via RTM, but then he won't be that costly.
He won't be that costly.
First. Second, Ishant
Might come at his base
Sharma
price.
is a very underrated T20 bowler.
No, he did well for them. The games he played, he has done well for them.
Every time. I think I love Ishant Sharma. भाई इस एज में आपको टेस्ट क्रिकेट से भी रिटायर नहीं हो रहा है वो. He is actually playing T20 cricket as well, being a fast bowler in this age. Hats off to Ishant Sharma. I think a quality bowler to have. और प्लस अगर वो सारे मैचेस भी नहीं खेलता, he'll probably be a mentor figure to your other pacers. So I think you should have it.
फिर हम जेम्स एंडरसन जैसी बातें करने लगे हैं.
जेम्स एंडरसन तो खेलेगा ही नहीं ना.
But
there's another guy, I think, since we had also talked about their poor bowling, Marco Jansen.
Get Marco Jansen.
मैंने नहीं लेना.
Get Marco Jansen. दिल्ली वालों, Marco Jansen को ले आओ. You know why? I'll tell you why. Khalil Ahmed might not be there this time. Marco Jansen, top power play bowler. Power play bowler.
And what about the batting?
No, that's what I was coming to. Top power play bowler can take wickets at any stage. भाई दिल्ली की फ्लडलाइट जितना लंबा है आदमी. Okay.
बढ़िया.
Okay, he's very tall. We all know that. And the fact is, now he has the fastest 50 ever against India in a T20 international. By the way, that was his maiden 50. And people are saying कि भाई वो fluke में लग गए and all. भाई, you see his innings during the ODI World Cup. At the other end, where Heinrich Klaasen was smashing, Marco Jansen was equally taking the bowlers apart. I think Marco Jansen with his batting, and even for, by the way, Sunrisers Cape Town, Cape Town, right? Eastern Cape.
He's
Eastern Cape. Sunrisers, Cape Town, तो MI Cape Town.
I like that glitch that he had.
Sunrisers, Eastern
भाई
Cape.
इतना emotional हो गया था that he forgot
But
the
no,
name.
even for them, I am saying during the SA20, this guy has batted and won
Right.
them games. Not with the ball, with the bat. So, as an all-rounder, I think Marco Jansen, especially what we saw in the third T20 National, भाई का प्राइस 4 करोड़ से 8 करोड़ हो गया है. डबल तो हो ही गया.
डबल हो गया यार. आईपीएल ऑक्शन के पहले जो लोग परफॉर्म करने लग जाए ना एकदम, यू नो फॉर अ फैक्ट भाई हो गया.
हो गया.
अब जिन्होंने अपनी लिस्ट बनाएगी कुछ काट के इसका नाम डाल दिया होगा.
Marco Jansen, also Chris Morris type player. That is why I'm saying South African too, and that's why DC can get it.
Now suddenly I see Chris Morris and Marco Jansen in one frame. But yeah, now since we also talked about the fact that they don't have many Indian uncapped player in the middle order.
फिर
can
ललित
you-
यादव आदत को लेके आएंगे क्या ये?
Ashutosh Sharma.
No, I'll tell you why. Ashutosh Sharma has actually gone out and stated in the media that
That's also true.
that he is expecting and hoping
But then
that-
उसके होप से क्या होता है?
that Punjab Kings retain him.
He's expecting that, na?
No, but he was good for Punjab
He
Kings.
was
Why not?
very good, yaar.
Maybe they were like Punjab Kings को लगा होगा ना कि ठीक है
You
auction
know
में
what?
ले लेंगे.
Punjab Kings ना उन्होंने जो प्रभ सिमरन सिंह को करा है ना, they could have actually
Actually
gone
retained
ahead with
Ashutosh.
Ashutosh Sharma.
ठीक है, they must have had their reasons. I am sure.
I'm saying that they might have wanted to do that. But
Maybe
then
wicket
अब
keeping
क्योंकि
option
दो
they were
आपने
looking at.
uncap कर लिए थे, so you would have paid a lot more money to Ashutosh Sharma, something जो would शायद ना command करे auction में. So for that to happen, I think yes, probably we have discussed everything that DC might be.
No, but
doing,
मैं तो मार्को यानसन से खुश हो गया हूँ. I think DC वालों, DC Toli as they say it,
DC Toli.
fans को, DC Toli, please let the franchisee know that Marco Jansen is the guy to go for.
और ये आप कैसे करोगे? Comment करें.
कमेंट करके
ये वीडियो उनको
हमारे
भेजो.
और हमारी वीडियो उनको भेजो. Anyway, do let us know in the comments as we keep saying कि आपके हिसाब से DC first of all RTM किसके लिए करना चाहिए, because they got 2 RTMs available to them, and except the RTMs also कि क्या who should be the players they should be going for at the auction. Again, बनाइए अपनी 11, डालिए comments में and हमें प्यार देते रहिए. Please like, share and subscribe to Sports Hub.
Thank you so much for watching.